Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to hide text messages on iPhone. For that, make sure you open your settings. Now at the settings section, you can see the option notifications. Simply tap over there. Now here you can see all the application that you have in your phone or you have installed in your device. Now we need to find the option messages. Now there are two ways. First way is to remove this checklist from the lock screen option. This will only show you have a text message on your home screen and in your notification center, and you won't get anything on the lock screen if you disable this option. Another option is to tap on show reviews. Now here you can see three options: always, when unlocked, or never. Now when you tap on the option when unlocked, you will receive a text message on your lock screen. You won't be able to see the text message unless you unlock it with your Face ID or your passcode. And another option is to simply tap on never, and the text messages will be hidden on your iPhone lock screen. And these are some of the ways on how to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.